orthographic view is not different. Sectional orthographic view and the orthographic view is not different to each other. But what happened in sectional orthographic view, cutting off material is involved. That's it. Eh? There is no difference at all from the orthographic view and the sectional orthographic view. Both are the same. In the sectional orthographic view, what happened in a particular view means it is maybe front view, side view, or top view. We observe the section of particular view. So what happened, I already discussed so many things here that we discussed till tolerances. So what happened, what about the tolerances? Provided because of the, it is not possible, it is not possible we can draw the drawing exact same as the given dimension. ओके कि जो भी गिवन डायमेंशन रहती है जैसे 14 mm है, 15 mm है, 50 mm है ना, तो it is not possible, practically it is not possible that we have draw the exact 50 mm line or 50 mm diameter circle. Okay, so that tolerances is provided. टॉलरेंसेस इज प्रोवाइडेड मीन्स क्या कहते हैं कि जैसे आपको 55 mm का सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है, लेकिन क्या वो एक्चुअली में 55 mm नहीं रहता है, देयर बी सम वेरिएशन देयर। तो कितना वेरिएशन एक्सेप्टेबल है, हाउ मच वेरिएशन इन डायमेंशन इज एक्सेप्टेबल, so that acceptable variation is called tolerance. That acceptable variation is called tolerance. Okay, जैसे आप क्या कहते हैं कि टॉलरेंस मीन्स मान लीजिए कि जैसे हम ग्रेड डिवाइड करते हैं ना, फर्स्ट क्लास, सेकेंड क्लास, थर्ड क्लास, लाइक दैट परसेंटेज में, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि हम रेंज देते हैं, है ना। जैसे क्या कहते हैं कि फर्स्ट क्लास है तो 60 से आपका 75 के बीच में फर्स्ट क्लास है, 60% to 75% is your first class, but 75 to 100% is your डिस्टेंशन, पास विद डिस्टेंशन। ओके, तो यहां पे जो लिमिट है बहुत हाई है, अगर 75 आया है तो भी वो डिस्टेंशन में आता है, अगर 100% आया तो भी वो डिस्टेंशन विद डिस्टेंशन ही है, आपके मार्कशीट में ऐसा आता है। तो यहाँ का जो टॉलरेंस जोन है काफी लंबा है, काफी लार्ज है। सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट, बट इन द डायमेंशनिंग field in the engineering drawing, or when we involve the word in the manufacturing, in the manufacturing word, then what happened, these tolerances is very small. Okay, like that what happened here, a general tolerance applicable to several dimension, note specifying that general tolerance plus minus 0.5. So 0.5 is the tolerances for all the dimension. ठीक है, जैसे बहुत सारी डायमेंशन आपके ड्राइंग शीट पे दिया हुआ है, बहुत सारी डायमेंशन आपकी ड्राइंग शीट पे दिया हुआ है, देन व्हाट हैपन, और हमको सभी डायमेंशन के लिए एक ही टॉलरेंस सेट करना है, देन वी कैन पुट द टॉलरेंस लिमिट इज प्लस माइनस 0.5. So plus minus 0.5 is the tolerance limit. Then what happened? अगर क्या कहते हैं कि हमको 10 mm का डायमीटर ड्रॉ करना है, सॉरी 10 mm डायमीटर का सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है, देन वी कैन vary the 10 mm diameter 9.95 to 10.05. Okay, 9.95 mm to 10.05 mm, that is the tolerance limit. मीन्स अगर आपका 9.95 है तब भी हम उसको 10 mm ही बोलेंगे, और अगर वो क्या कहते हैं कि 10.05 mm है, then it is also called the 10 mm. Okay, because there is a tolerance of plus minus 0.5 mm. Okay, या फिर क्या कहते हैं कि किसी डायमेंशन के लिए हमने एक्स्ट्रा या फिर डिफरेंट टॉलरेंस प्रोवाइड किया है, देन वी हैव टू राइट द टॉलरेंस ये अबव द डायमेंशन. सो यहाँ पे क्या है कि यहाँ पे जो आपकी ये जो लेंथ है, गिवन लेंथ है, दिस लेंथ इज 45 mm. दिस लेंथ इज 45 mm. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, हम 45 की जगह 45.25 या फिर 44.80 ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द लिमिट. मैक्सिमम इज 45.25 एंड मिनिमम इज 44.80. सो इसके बीच में अगर कोई सी भी लेंथ हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो एज अ कंसीडर एज अ 45 mm length. So this is all about the tolerancing. Okay, so see here, aligned system value read from the bottom and right side. See, bottom to top and it is the right side. See, right side, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, right side, top to bottom. And this is aligned system. And unidirectional system value read from the bottom only. See what happened, the dimensioning is provided between the dimension line here. This is our unidirectional system. This is our unidirectional system. See, same diagram is there, but there is a change in the dimensioning. There is a change in the dimensioning. Okay, now this is also here. So what happened, this is your incorrect and this is your correct things. Why? Because see here what happened, here all the lines has similar thickness. Maximum line has similar thickness, but what happened here, object line is have different thickness and the central line have a different thickness and projection line is also have a different thickness. Okay, so correct and incorrect you can observe here. Now draw a small cross at a center that is located by the dimension. See here, draw a small cross. So this is a small cross where we going to locate the dimensions. See, So this is the indication of the center. Means what happened? This point is the center of this arc. This point is center of this arc. So the point identified by the small cross on the center. So like this, we also provide a small cross here. So that is the, this is the center of this 3 radius. That's it. So now, now what we can say here, these are the things where we can see correct or incorrect. So how the center line is start? So the dash is must be joined to the object line. So here there is a space. So this is incorrect and this is correct because these are the joints. No space is there. And when we going to join the dash, then what happened? Dash must be joined. There is no space between dash. We don't join the dashes like this. That is incorrect. So here what happened? At a time, see here, 3 dash is not mated. So what happened? See here, that is incorrect. All 3 dash made a point, but here 3 cross sectional dash, one is spaced. So space is there when 3 point or 3 dash meet to each other. That is the technical things for the engineering drawing. Okay. Now when the dash is joint like this, here crosses. So what happened? This space is like this. There is incorrect if they are joined one side and not joining other side. Okay. When the point or dashes join with this way, then what happened? They must be joined on a point. They must be joined on the point. When they join along with the 90-degree, these are the 90 degrees, so there is a space, but if dashes are joined like this, then there is no space, all 3 must be joined. Okay. So similarly here, F point, what happened? When 2 dashes is joined, they are joined, there must be no space is there, so join dash like that. So in this side correct method is shown and in this side incorrect method is shown. This is the technicality of the engineering drawing when we deal with the lines cross to each other. Means there is no problem with the object line or form line, but there is the, this method is adopted during the two center line cross to each other, two center line cross to each other, or dashes line, means two hidden line cross to each other. So this method will be adopted. This method will be adopted. Now see what happened. Dimensions should be optimated. See here, This is the symbol parallel. So what is that meaning? This line and this line is parallel to each other. Parallel symbol is shown here. So what is this shown? Okay, what is this shown? Dimension should be optimated. What do you mean by this? Means here the dimension line is not permitted to go beyond this. So what happened? This is the permitted of the dimension. See how the dimension is, and which type of dimension method is used. This is our unidirectional dimension method is adopt here. Unidirectional dimensioning method. Now see, use of enlarged view to clarify dimension, means use of the enlarged view to clarify the dimension. So what happened here? See, this is the A section, which is very small, and what happened? When we go to provide these dimensions, it is not possible to uh, provide the dimension in proper manner. So what happened? We can enlarge this A circle to here, so that we can easily dimension the object. See, this dimension, what happens? So all these we can dimension by the enlarging the object. So this is about the our drawing sheet. Okay, this is about the our drawing sheet. So what happened? This symbol is there. So what this symbol is represent? What this symbol is represent? Anyone can tell? This symbol is represent that whatever the drawing here, that is in the third angle. Okay, this is the symbol of the third angle. Okay, so now here is given batch number CNC approved by, what is the title. So this section here, so this section is called title bar or information bar. So what happened? All the information recording the drawing is available here. So size A3, and this is, there is a title approved by, scale. What is the scale? Means we can write here the scale. If scale is 1:1, then what is that meaning? The meaning is that the dimension provided here is the true dimension. Okay, but it is 2:1, then the diagram is provided here, that is enlarged by double, means all dimension is provided multiply by 2. If 1:2 is there, then what is then meaning? The size is reduced, means how much reduced? 1/2, means all the dimension is half of the original dimension. Here all the dimension is as a original dimension, and here all the dimension is just double from the original dimension. So we can provide the all the information. So there is any design engineer go through this title bar or information bar, so he can get all the information regarding scaling, and which coordinate is used, who is make this, who is approved this. Okay, so like this all the information is provided here. So here this is not a part of your this PPT. Okay, so this is about that. So all the things we can observe here, that is the, we can say that this is about the orthographic projection. So here we just observe that this slide, because this is in your syllabus. So what happened? Sectional orthographic view. So why this section is providing, our section is sectioning is needed? Because of the, we have to identify the inside dimensions properly. Means in the present product or present object, this is very simple in the geometrical shape. So what happened, we can easily understood that. But when the complex geometry object is there and so many dimension is inside of the objects, then there is a need of sectioning. So we can understood what is the internal geometry, what is the internal geometry, shape and size for particular object. So sectioning is important for, sectioning is important for to observe the internal, to observe the internal dimension of a particular object. Sectioning is important to observe the internal dimension of the object. Okay, so here this is vertical cutting plane. See, the plane is here, which is cut the object vertically. So what happened, we can remove this part. So what happened, uh, both part is similar. After cutting, both part is similar, but which part we have to remove, which part we have to remove. So always remove the observer side part, observer side part. So we have to remove this part, we have to remove this part. Okay, because observer is this side, means जो भी इस प्रोडक्ट को देख रहा है वो इस डायरेक्शन में है, देन वी हैव, सो दैट वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस पार्ट. सो what happened, after sectioning, this hatches is there. So why these hatches is provided, why these hatches is provided, these hatches is symbol of the material remover, means material removed from here, and these hatches is impression of the cutting tools. मीन्स किसी भी, जैसे आप हेक्सा ब्लेड से किसी मटेरियल को कट कर रहे हैं, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल ले लीजिए कि आपके पास क्या कहते हैं कि चीज का एक पीस है और उसको आप नाइफ से कट करते हैं चीज को, तो क्या होता है जब आप कट करते हैं तो कटिंग सरफेस पे देखिए उस नाइफ के एज का इंप्रेशन आ जाता है ना, उस नाइफ के एज का इंप्रेशन आ जाता है। अभी वो जो सरफेस आपका कटिंग सरफेस है वो आपका जो अनकट सरफेस है जहां पे आपका नाइफ ने कट नहीं किया है, उन दोनों में लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस रहता है। देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दी सरफेसेस, because where you cut from the knife, then what happened, the surface is little bit rough, but where is uncut surface, that is comparatively smooth from the cutting surface. So क्या है ये hatches, क्या है hatches is the cutting impression from the cutting tools. So cutting plane parallel to the principal horizontal plane. When a object is cut by a plane parallel to principal horizontal plane, then the real or true shape of the section is observed in the top view. Section plane will be seen in the cutting plane. Okay, so what happened here? इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि जब एक कटिंग प्लेन ऐसा है जो कि पैरेलल टू द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन है, पैरेलल टू द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, तो हमको जो ट्रू शेप मिलेगा, जो सेक्शन व्यू मिलेगा, वो हमको टॉप व्यू में मिलेगा, और जो कटिंग लाइंस है वो हमको फ्रंट व्यू में शो होगी। सी लाइक दैट। अभी ये क्या है, ये जो कटिंग प्लेन है दैट इज पैरेलल टू दी हॉरिजॉन्टल, पैरेलल टू दी हॉरिजॉन्टल, देन वी कैन कट। ऑब्जर्वर इज हियर, देखिए ऑब्जर्वर इज हियर, तो ऑब्जर्वर टॉप से दिख रहा है, तो ये जो टॉप का, ये आपका जो टॉप का पोर्शन है दैट शुड बी रिमूव्ड, दैट पोर्शन मस्ट बी रिमूव। दो पार्ट हो गए, तो टॉप का ही पार्ट क्यों रिमूव किया, क्योंकि ऑब्जर्वर हमको टॉप से देख रहा है, ऑब्जर्वर यहां पे है, तो वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस पार्ट। अभी ऑब्जर्वर अगर यहां से देख रहा होता तो वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस पार्ट, लेकिन ऐसा है नहीं, ऑब्जर्वर बॉटम से नहीं देख रहा है, देयर इज ऑन द टॉप, so that we have to remove the top portion and remaining portion is there. So cutting edge जहां पे मटेरियल रिमूव हुआ है यहीं पे तो केवल मटेरियल रिमूव हुआ है, then the cutting edge hatches are providing only the cutting surface. So अभी क्या हुआ कि ये जो प्लेन है पैरेलल टू हॉरिजॉन्टल है, then we get the sectional view in the top. So this is our top view, and cutting edge visual in the front view, cutting edge visual in the front view. Okay, so next option is cutting plane is parallel to the vertical plane. Cutting plane is parallel to the vertical plane. Then what happened, cutting plane is parallel to the profile plane, sorry, cutting plane is the profile plane. Then what happened, the real or true shape of section is observed in the side view, observed in the side view. Section plane will be seen as a cutting plane line in the top view. See like this. Okay, सो ये हमारा फ्रंट व्यू है, इधर से हमारा साइड व्यू है, दिस इज अवर साइड व्यू, एंड हियर वी कैन से दैट दिस इज अवर टॉप व्यू। सो क्या हुआ, साइड से कट हुआ, अ प्लेन विच इज पैरेलल टू द साइड प्लेन, देन वी कैन get the sectional view at the side view like this. So what happened here, see this is our side view, this is our front view, and this is our top view. So what happened here, you can observe that what happened here, the hatches area or sectional view we can observe in the right hand side view, but you can see that the right hand side view is to your left hand. Why? Because this drawing in the first coordinate, because this drawing is in the first coordinate. In the first coordinate, if your side view made here, then this is your left hand side view. Okay, and top view made in bottom means what happened in the first angle. We can observe that all the uh, element in reverse direction. Top view made in the bottom, left hand side view made in right hand, and right hand side view made in left hand. Okay, so here sectioning rule for the machine element like ribs, rivet, weld, shaft, pin, nut, bolt, washer, keyways, and cotter. So where the cutting plane is passing through above machine parts, above machine part, rivet, rib, wedge, soft, pin, nut, bolt, washer, keyway, cotter, whatever is there. So above machine element, if cutting plane certain axis of the machine element, there is no sectioned view. कहने का क्या मतलब है कि अगर कटिंग प्लेन आपके रिब को कट करता है, रिवेट को कट करता है, शाफ्ट को कट करता है, तो यहां पे आपका हैचेज लाइन नहीं शो होगा. देयर इज नो हैचेज लाइन फॉर these machine component. There is no hatches line on these machine component. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहां पे देखिए, यहां पे क्या है, ये आपका वेज है, ये क्या है आपका वेब से, तो ये आपका कट हुआ, लेकिन यहां पे हैचेज लाइन नहीं आई है. मटेरियल तो यहां पे भी रिमूव हुआ है, लेकिन यहां पे आपका हैचेज लाइन क्यों नहीं आई है? बिकॉज दिस इज बिलोंग टू दिस पार्ट. और ये सेक्शनिंग रूल है कि क्या कहते हैं कि आपका जो दीज मशीन पार्ट है, यहां पे जब भी मटेरियल कट होगा या कटिंग प्लेन यहां पे आएगा, तो इन सारे पार्ट्स के ऊपर किसी भी तरीके का हैचिंग प्रोवाइड नहीं होगा. दैट इज द रूल. ओके, सो